What just happened? I remember asking myself that when I was 19 and had just gently backed my mom's car into the concrete base of a light pole. You might have said something similar if you've unexpectedly experienced automatic braking on vehicles equipped with the ParkSense Park Assist system with stop feature. Hi, I'm Preston, a certified RAM expert since 2016. I'm here to help you know more about your truck so you can enjoy more from your truck. Now let's take a look at the automatic braking on the ParkSense system. The purpose of the ParkSense Park Assist system with automatic braking is to help drivers avoid minor fender benders while they're parking or driving at low speeds. The system warns you with both visual and audible signals. But if a collision appears to be imminent, the system may use automatic braking in an attempt to stop the vehicle. Now let's look at the 4 ways the owner's manual lists for us to be able to override or disable the automatic braking system. First, and this is the easiest, when the automatic braking has been used, you can override the automatic braking by changing gears. No need to worry about backing into something if you're in drive. Secondly, if you want to turn the automatic braking off entirely, but still be able to have the visual and audible warnings, you can disable the automatic braking by going to the settings on the radio screen, finding the safety and driving assistance, and checking the appropriate box under the rear parking brake assist. Automatic braking will now be disabled until you come back in and change this setting. Third, you can turn the ParkSense system off by pressing the ParkSense switch on your instrument panel. This will turn off both the automatic braking and the audible and visual signals. You can use this method of disabling the system if you never want braking and beeping, or if you just want to temporarily disable it, like when you're backing up to a trailer. Finally, you got the smash the gas method. You can override the automatic braking by pressing the gas pedal to over 90% of its capacity during the braking event. Regrettably, I haven't been able to test this method out because running a truck into something, especially to demo a feature for a YouTube video, is frowned upon in this establishment. But as my boss likes to say, you can do whatever you want on your last day, so you never know. To learn more about other features on your truck, you can click here to watch this video. I'll see you there.